Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage. I do jigsaws occasionally, time-lapse videos. Haven't done any for a while. Spotted this one today. £3.50. Probably a good price for the jigsaw, but much more than I like to pay for jigsaws. I like to pay about £1 or something. But I do have a thing about clocks. And quite a while ago, one of my regulars commented on the number 4 on Roman numeral clocks. A lot of clocks show them as 4 ones or 4 digits, and some clocks show them as can we see that at all? IV. So instead of I, they show them as IV. And there's a bit of a discussion on whether one is right and one is wrong. But yeah, most of these have got the 4 eyes on them. After he'd commented, I did spend a lot of time looking for this jigsaw because I'd seen it and didn't buy it, £2.49. So I spent months looking for this in charity shops, eventually found one. Same thing, it's about the I's and the IVs, or at least that's what I wanted to buy it for. Yeah, that one. Well, that one's actually VI, which is wrong anyway. That's a 6. Well, depending on, yeah, that's a VI. So that's showing a 6 where there should be a 4. So that's a mistake. 3 eyes there. Sorry, 4 eyes there. That one's just got 2 lines for every one. 4 eyes. I'm sure I spotted a IV on here somewhere. Well, not to worry. That was today's charity shop buy. That one's already in my stock waiting to be built. It's the sort of thing I do around Christmas time normally. But I haven't done any for quite a while. So I need to do that one first and then do that one. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.